Hello, my name is Gene. Thank you for trying CadDog. This is a video tutorial for CadDog's elevation generator. First, you need to open a new AutoCAD drawing or template and save it to a project folder. It is better if each project has its own folder. Name the project folder anything you like. You can name the drawing file any way you want as well. Just remember that the name that you give the drawing file will be used by CadDog as the job number on the parts cutting lists and glass list generated by the program. When you start CadDog, it will automatically add one folder named Itemized Lists, where CadDog will save the parts cutting lists and glass lists, and one folder named EIP Support, holding files with some vital statistics for the project, glass types, and window components. Do not move or rename these folders. You can do what you like with the files in the Itemized List folder, but do not move, rename, or change any of the files in the EIP Support folder. CadDog has functions for editing these files. One of the support files comes with some Conair curtain wall and storefront parts loaded by default. I already have a drawing ready, so let's get started with our first elevation. First, I will enter the number of vertical bays that I want on my elevation. Next, the number of horizontal bays. And finally, the system profile width. Now click on the Add Bay Dims button. This will bring up a series of input boxes. The first series is for entering the distance between the center lines of the vertical mullions, starting at the left side and moving sequentially to the right. Enter the distance between the first two mullions and press Enter. The dimension is added to the vertical spacing list, and the input box returns to its default. This will repeat until the Vert Countdown box reaches 0. The next series will be for the horizontal dimensions. Enter these in like manner, starting from the bottom end and moving sequentially to the top end. When the Hor Countdown box reaches 0, the input boxes will be finished. Before clicking the Create Elevation button, review the dimension lists. If you need to change any dimensions, double-click on any entry, change the number, and press Enter, and the list will be updated. When you are happy with the numbers, press the Create Elevation button, pick any point in model space, and your elevation is generated with net frame, DLO, system width, and mullion centerline dimensions included. Now I'm going to modify this elevation so I can add a door. All drawing objects generated by CadDog are AutoCAD objects and are fully subject to all of AutoCAD's intrinsic functionality. CadDog does not create any proxy objects. Now we have finished our first elevation drawing. In the next tutorial, we will add the parts list data to the individual parts of the elevation, which will allow us to generate cutting lists for our project. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next tutorial. Have a good day.